display of Philippine culture highlighting national identity. This project is designed to highlight the value, norms, rules, tradition, or practices of the Filipinos and national symbols of our country. Before we proceed to the discussion of the project, I want you all to divide yourselves into 4 groups with 10 members each group. On making your project, I want everyone to cooperate with your groups in making visual aids and presentation highlighting the belief system of the Philippines. You're going to include the symbols of Philippine society. And lastly, I want you to create exhibits that will manifest the richness of Philippine culture. So Group 1 will be working on making video presentation about the values of Filipinos like hospitality, close family ties, and etc. Group 2 will be presenting dramatization just like Zarzuela, Moro Moro, and others. Group 3 will conduct survey about the common traditions or practices or even superstitions that still believe enough to this modern era. Group 4 will lead the compilation of 3 groups and will lead the exhibits highlighting the national symbols of the country. So class, this is how I will be grading you. First, relevance, it is 20%. Performance, 20%. Creativity, 20%. Resourcefulness, 10%. Clarity, 10%. And reflection and depiction, 20%. From the overall, 100%. Class, before you discuss the project with your group mates, I will show you a sample video that will give you an idea on how you're going to work with your project.
Hello, where are we now? We are here in one of the most historical places in the Philippines. Guys, are you excited to know where are we now? We are here at Rizal Park.
Walang saysay, walang sigla, walang kulay.
Bawat araw ba'y pareho, parang wala.
So hi guys, our first destination here in Luneta Park is the replica of the Philippine map. So come enjoy it.
Para mag-enjoy ng todo.
Halika, biyahe tayo.
The Philippines is further divided into 3 major parts. Do you remember the 3 stars in the Philippine flag? It represents the Luzon, Visayas, and the Mindanao. So come, take a closer look into it.
Napasyal ka na ba sa Intramuros at Luneta?
Palawan, Bigan at Batanes.
According to the statue of the Sentinel of Freedom, Lapu-Lapu is the benevolent ruler of the Visayan people. A valiant warden of the light of Islam, a victorious defender of our homeland, the first Asian to withstand colonial forces.
Ang ating kapwa Pilipino, halika!
The dancing fountain. This is one of the main attractions of the Luneta Park.
Ang galing ng Pilipino.
From city to city, 7,100 plus islas.
This is the place where Dr. Jose Rizal was executed. Jose Rizal y Mercado, Filipino physician, propagandist, writer, and patriot, was executed within these hallowed grounds at exactly 7:03 in the morning of December 30, 1896, by an 8-man squad of the Filipino riflemen from the 17th Infantry Regiment, the Magallanes of the Spanish Colonial Army. Those who witnessed Rizal's public execution included Lieutenant Luis Tabial de Andrade, his legal defender during his trial for alleged treason against Spain, and the 2 Jesuit priests, Father Jose Villaclara and Father Estanislao March, who
accompanied Rizal during his final walk before his execution. Rizal's martyrdom fanned the flames of the Filipino Revolution of 1896 and inspired the Filipinos in their resolute and epic fight for freedom.
Umakyat sa antipolo,
known as the national vehicle of the Philippines, and it is widely used in its Spanish era, and now it is just used for strolling purposes in the tourist spots of the Philippines.
Kapayapaan, halika, biyahe tayo, nang ating makita ang ganda ng Pilipinas, ang galing ng tara na, biyahe tayo, upang ating matamo, ligaya at pagkakaibigan, kaunlaran, kapayapaan, halika.
So, good luck everyone and be the best you can be. Remember that this project will be your final requirement for this subject. Thank you everyone.